wangisukela bo ngiyakuthanda nokukhuluma awuthi ngikhulumeke kune comment ke yavela la kule video comment ekuyona ethi webhudise kwi-age of Aquarius vele yambuza ukuthi uzwa kushiwo nayo seyasho mhlawumbe lo muntu akazi nanokuthi yini precision of the equinox akazi nanokuthi yini great year akazi nanokuthi yini ama ages akazi nje yonke lonto leyo ama axes akazi lutho kodwa usho njalo yena akazi nanokuthi lento yakhiwa u26000 years iage yodwa ithatha 2166 years le Pisces esikuyona manje uma yaqala ngo1 AD 2166 from 1 AD thina sikuba manje ku2026 2166 years minus 2026 ubani lo ianswer lapho is less than 100 years mhlambe sonke laso sisishone singakafiki lo age of Aquarius yabo kodwa uthi sesifikile yakhiwa yini kanti akona any movement of earth in heavens like this that wobble yabo singakhuluma into bafethu esizwa kushiwo yabo bese siyayithatha leyo nto leyo wamanje sovela la uthi asazi sesiveza abantwini ukuthi asazi ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenza noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona yabo not unless umuntu eneyakhe iastrology adivisa kuyo ama ages kodwa mezo sebenzisa le esikhuluma ngeprecision of the equinox cha is not less than 2100 years iage yodwa yabo asikakafiki ke thina ku2100 angifuni ukuphuma kakhulu la kwi comment yakho kwi age ne age kune background frequency esuka ikhona ne consciousness program esuka ikhona lapho njengoba uzoqala leko cancer ko Leo be praise ilanga yabo ko Leo lemumva ngoba lento ihamba clockwise uza ko cancer the feminine energy uza njalo ko lokungana ko Gemini mina ngiGemini ke uza ko Gemini lapho khona kuqala abantu bakha ama communications utrade yabona zonke into ezifana nalezo ko Gemini yabo ukubhala izinto ezifana nalezo it's all about communication lapha ku Gemini it's all about trade lapha ku Gemini yabo uza njalo uhlehla uza ku Taurus be ama material things bebe thandaza izinto ezimaterial yabo uhlehla njalo uza kwi fire lapha na ku Aries uzofika la kwi Pisces kwi Pisces I frequency ebikhona I religion yes I religion I faith over illogic yes I sacrifice I Pisces njalo I sacrifice intuitions yabo illusion njoba sabona nje siqanjelwe amanga kusinikeza sidayisela ifaith engekho isikhathi sePisces leso so akusetshenziswa ifaith kakhulu over logic iPisces leyo institutions lawa religious institutions yonke lento oyibonayo manje le ngathi hayi nothi ngathi le collapseayo manje iauthority engaphandle external authority kuma external authorities government yo traditional leaders yabo ngiyababona abanye bazama ukuyivusa bafethu ngekwazi ukuvusa iage mase iage seyicollapse ugovernment ifaith yethi iphelile kuyena manje simthembi ama traditional leaders ningafaka nje nithi niyabuyisa ngeke asakwazi ukwenza lento ayenze ekuqaleni khona abanye abantu baquestiona kuyimanje ukuthi yini umsebenzi wesidlo baquestiona lokho wonke ukuquestiona lokho ngesikhathi ezintsha zelokungani zokuqala kwale age le wonke ukuquestiona lonto le you are not even in the position of questioning that just because it is collapsing now you see ukuthi what is happening baquestiona kuvela amahlazo kubikazela kona vele ukushintsha kwezinto abantu abasebenzisa kakhulu ifaith okune logic abantu sebefuna ukubalance ku2 manje yabo izinto zani lezo ze-Pisces ziyaphela i-collectivism leyo ukuba i-collective families do things together even now ngo-2026 ngo-2027 siqala enye i-global cycle ngo-human design this is another global cycle ezosatha for the next 411 years ekuthiwa yini i-cross of sleeping phoenix iyosatha yozosibeka khona ngqo kwi-age of Aquarius iqala ngo-2027 next year i-global cycle ke leyo yabo kade sikwi-cross of planning besenza izinto together kwi-collective yonke lento le sa-develop ama-skills athile medicine and all of those things konke kwe-Pisces lokho and lesi sikhathi sokugcina lesi kwi-cross of planning yabo ngibala izinto eziwu2 manje la these are 2 systems that are working hand in hand the global cycle and the ages ama-global cycles athatha 411 years ama-ages athatha 2166 years should there may be many global cycles within the same age kodwa le cycle le esiyona yosithatha sibeke kuphi the age of Aquarius so kwi-age of Aquarius ke this is the last part of this video ke kwi-age of Aquarius ke i-background frequency ezobe ikhona nawe usuyayibona vele manje asiyikhulumi ingane wane la sikhuluma ingane wane la kuyimanje uyabona abantu basebenzisana basebenzisa i-independence manje i-symbolize ukuthi umuntu uzoba independent thinking seeking the truth not using faith over logic not ukusebenzisa faith a blind faith to the point ukuthi uzuqolwe nje so sebenzisa ne-logic truth seeking technological advancement kunjani kwi-technology uyasibonela vele technological advancement clarity aqua water clarity by the way this is not a water sign it's an air sign seeking the truth kuba rebellious and mubheka ziyacompensatana in fact ziyacomplementana lezi zinto zombili le cycle esongena yona ngo-2027 okuyi-cycle of what of the sleeping phoenix it's individualism yes ziyacomplementana because nakhona la kwi-Aquarius individualism njengoba ubona ngathi imindeni iya-disintegrate nama-systems amanye ya-disintegrate yabona nje imindeni uyabona ukuthi ayisa-operate ngaleya ndlela hhayi ukuthi izophela kodwa izohlangana kwelunye uhlobo le-level kolunye uhlobo le-level technological advancement independent thinking seeking for the truth using logic, balancing the logic and faith. Ngiyabo information. Ngiyabo information ingana. Amongst other things. That is the frequency that will be there. Yabona German is independent. Abantu be independent, abantu bayibalekisa currently as we speak. Spiritual awakening. Yabo? Ngoba laphana konjini rula ilento iAquarius iSaturn erule Aquarius ne but le ayi illusion lapha kwiPisces illusion Neptune